Hey guys, this is David Pisa, and here's my Module 6 Explain video for user-defined class. So, a class to me is like a blueprint for an object. We're using all the information in this class to create an object. Within the classes we have our methods and our fields, and let's dive right into it. So here you can see I created a class called CarPayment. It's going to be a class that helps define the car type and calculate monthly payments for it. So here are my instance variables. So the reason why we set our instance variables to private is so that no one can access the information outside of the class, and so that it's safe, right? Here is my default no argument constructor. So it's taking nothing inside the parameter, and you can see that all the values are set to default. Here we have monthly interest. That's which I declared up here. It's going to be double. It's going to be taking the annual interest, which is right here, and dividing it by the percent, which is right here, 100, and the months in a year, which is 12. I set it up here and kept it private so no one can access or change or modify it. And here I will get to this a little bit down the road. But as for our second constructor, this one's only taking a string, which is going to be the car type, so you'll be able to change the car type right here, and everything else is set to default. This is the same as well. Here's a constructor that will take 2 arguments, and the third is going to take 3 arguments, and the fourth is going to take 4 arguments. And as you can see, the default starts numbling down. I don't know how to say it, but yeah. So here is my method that will calculate and return the monthly payment for the object in a double. So here I found a formula online to how to calculate monthly payments. All I had to do was, so by no means did I come up with the formula, but I had to figure out how to write it in Java, program it. So it's going to calculate all the information and return the results, which has results returning or in all the methods, as you can see. Pretty cool, right? So here are my getters and setters. The getters and setters are public, so that the private instances variables can be accessed and changed in a controlled way through these methods. So here I have my getters. Getters don't usually take in anything inside the parameters. They just return the car type, the principal, years, annual interest. And the setters, they usually have 1 argument in them. So this one you can see is taken in a string. This one's a little different. This is the Boolean method, and it's gonna return false or it's gonna return true. So it's gonna return false if the user input, or if we put anything less than 0. Otherwise, it's gonna return true. Same thing for this setter, Boolean method. Same thing for this one. And here is my toString method. This method is gonna return all the information about the object in a string fashion. So it's gonna return a string with all the information gathered, as you can see here. So here in my tester class, this class is gonna be, to test my car payment class, custom class. Here at the top, I'm just creating the new objects from a car payment class. Just demonstrating the setters that it works efficiently. Here I am calling the get monthly payment with the payment with the formula in it, and then just printing it out. So if I run it, you'll see all the information here. Here's the monthly payment, and here's all the information. Okay, Thanks, guys.